There are so many ways technology will help make guests' visit to the New Frisco Public Library easier and smoother. Checking out an item is quick and simple.
You just come here and you scan it, you hear the beep, and you're ready to check out. You just place your item on the pad like so. It has it checked out.
You can then choose if you want a receipt and how do you like to receive it. It's that easy, and there are several self-checkout stations.
We have 12 down on the first floor and we have one up on the second floor.
The technology extends to the study and conference rooms, reservable online with your library card.
Where you get a confirmation either by email and text if you so choose the text message, and that will include the time of the booking and the confirmation code. The confirmation code you need to get into the room, and it will be good for the entire duration of your stay in the room.
Once you arrive at the library, you'll go to the correct room and enter your code on the door, giving you access. Once inside the room,
you would plug in your HDMI, and that's going to connect you to the TV here. If you do want to make a Zoom or a Teams call, you will need a USB cable. And the other really important thing here is that you'll notice there's a panel right here on the wall. This controls this whole setup. So right now it is off, so I'm going to turn that on, and then you can see works there. And the volume is going to be controlled over here as well.
The technology setup is similar in the conference rooms.
This is the 20-person conference rooms. This is the biggest one that we have here. So if you have a big group that needs to come in, make video calls or anything like that, this is the control panel here. So any volume, things like that will be right here. And you would just plug in your HDMI.
The 2-lane drive-thru will be great for guests who just want to drop off or pick up items.
Anytime you come through this drive-thru, it's cars only, so do not walk up here. But what you're gonna do in your car, you just have your book, you're just gonna slip it right here, and it comes up, you just put your book in, and it takes it, and you're done. If you have something on hold, it's available, you wanna pick it up, but you don't wanna come inside, you don't have to. You would just go to this pickup window here, opens just like a drive-through. The people inside are notified when you pull up. You would just scan your library card, get your hold for you, check it out, hand it to you, and then you can be on your way. No coming inside needed.
Getting those returned books back on the shelves is now quicker thanks to the much larger automated materials handling system that sorts the books.
Our new AMH is way longer, way bigger than it was before. We've gone from 11 bins to 31 bins. We have one internal return that way, and we have one through the drive-through as well. So there is a sensor there, so when you break that kind of plane there with a book or a DVD, any kind of item you put it through, it senses it and it starts going, and it just takes your book and it runs it through the belt, and it goes the whole length of it until it checks in at the very top there and then falls into its bin.
Whether they come inside to explore or just take advantage of the new drive-thru, the technology will assist guests at the New Frisco Public Library.